Hello everybody, this is Dedra with Papercrafts and Planners, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the current club EP or Echo Park, and I really am loving these clubs. They kind of put together their collections, certain collections and all the different pieces, and it's really a lot of fun to receive. So let me open this up and just pull this out of here and get this out of the box for you. They always put this little bit of tissue paper on top, and then they always have this little inspiration. And I'm loving the mini album that looks like a pumpkin. I don't know how that's done, but I'm going to see. And so they've given you this pumpkin album and this pumpkin season card. Some little instructions there. And you can go on the Echo Park site, I believe, and see the different inspirations on there also. Now, this is the September kit. The way this works is they send you an invoice sometime between the 1st and the 10th of the month, and you pay it. At least that is with me, because I pay it through PayPal, so I think that's how it goes. And then you have, they mail them all out around the 20th. This month they mailed it out a little bit later, so I was a little disappointed because I didn't get it until just a few days ago. Like last Friday, today's Monday, so yeah, it took a while to get here. Okay, here are the pieces. Let me start with, first of all, there's a 6x6 pad. And I'm just going to grab some scissors here and open this up. And the pads are usually very similar. You get the 12x12 and the 6x6, but I will flip through this, and it's been double-sided each time, so let's hope they stick with that. Fall Market and it's a Cartabella company. So Cartabella and Echo Park are one and the same. Oh, gorgeous. Again with the trucks. So they've done a lot with these little trucks with different collections, and I think they're adorable. Oh, look at the colors in this, though, for those pumpkins. Autumn is a second spring where every leaf is a flower. Cute. Keep calm and get your pumpkin pie on. These are just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. The other thing I wish they would do, this is cute, these little pull apart or cut aparts, is I kind of wish I'd gotten the fall one last month and the summer at the beginning of summer. Do you know what I mean? So last month was summer. This is the September, which you're getting at the end of September, and it is a lot of fall. And it's beautiful, and I love this collection, but it would have been nice to have it a little earlier, I think. Cute. So this is repeating now. Love that. And there are 24 double-sided pieces in here. Did you know, Club EP member, as a member, you get 10% discount on anything from the Echo Park outlet store, which is nice. And this is advertisement for their Christmas market, which we may get probably in December. Okay, here is the washi tape. Hopefully you can see that really pretty pattern. And there's always some enamel dots, or there has been so far. Love those colors. Here is the stamp set. Let me put some white behind it so you can kind of see the stamp set. Now, these are clear acrylic stamps. They're not photopolymer. You really need to season them a little bit before you use them. So by that, I mean you're going to take like an eraser to rub the back. You're going to clean them thoroughly. Just kind of get that stickiness off of them, that oily stickiness. And they'll usually stamp pretty well after that. But, yeah, they're not a real high-quality stamp set. I will say that. Okay, here's the ephemera that comes with. And it says die-cut cardstock. So it's just about the same thickness as the paper. And these always, again, they have this little section you can take out. Pumpkin season. Cute. Love that. Wouldn't that be cute with the sentiment in the middle of a card? Love fall most of all. Fall days. Hello, fall. And if you've watched a previous video of my Tuesday morning haul, you will know that I also have a Jen Hadfield kind of fall collection called Warm and Cozy with a lot of pieces to that. So I think I'm pretty stocked on fall right now, but that's okay. I can use them next year too at the pumpkin patch. Cute. Apple pie. This says crisp fall nights. Fall is in the air. I'm in Texas, pie season, Brightly colored, cute. And it is still in the 90s here where I am. My daughter, I'm sure this spells out fall. I haven't found all the letters. My daughter, my eldest daughter, and her family moved to Washington State recently from Texas, and it's been down in the 40s at night. So she's not loving that, but I'm not loving the 90s either. September. Look at that. Isn't that cute? So it's all the same things, only this is the thick cardstock. And it looks like it is sticky backed. I think so. It's got that backing on it, so I think it's sticky backed, all these. Look at Harvest Fresh Veggies. I love that. Okay, and here's the 12 by 12 collection. Let me get this open. And usually there's a sticker sheet, and it looks like what's on top here. Here's the sticker sheet. I love that fall. Do they come apart? Yep, each piece comes apart, so you can kind of arrange it how you want. Fall Market. Oh, that is cute. Harvest Time. Diamond Brand apples. Yes, this is beautiful. And then you've got these strips at the bottom. The wood grain and the floral in the leaves. Really pretty. Okay, here's our double size. This is texture. It has a really nice texture to it. And these are going to be pretty much what you get in the 6x6, just bigger. So you could do your scrapbooking, or I like these for card making too. Oh, look at those. These I love in mini albums. Just too cute. I mean, it's already done for you. You don't really need to embellish very much where your picture's going to go. I love this wood grain. That is, oh, look how gorgeous. So it's the same print, but of course bigger. So you get some flowers with a bigger dimension to them. And here again is the same, but this is all the way across. You can get that whole sentiment there, or that whole saying there. And I'm loving this teal blue and the light blue with these colors. Oh, look at this. Look at this check. That is beautiful. So this whole thing is just gorgeous. I can't wait to use it. So I'll probably put a few things together with this, and when I do, I'll come back and share. Autumn is in the air. I love that. I love fall most of all. I really do. This, I may do some of this in my planner also. Anyway, I'll come back and show you what I put together with it. These pieces are just gorgeous. This whole collection. So it's called Fall Market. And you may remember the first one I purchased, and I will link below to the other collections. I've received 3 so far. But the first one I did was called Flower Market, and it was a real spring. And then the next one was the summer one, and I can't remember what it is. Summer Days, I think. Anyway, I will link to those 2 videos below in case you want to go back and see what comes each time. But you definitely can tell that this is Echo Park Cardabella in each collection. They definitely have a look to them that I really, really love. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Happy crafting.